items have been selling out in seconds. Prices have been going up drastically. Will OVO be the next Supreme? What is going on, guys? Justin, your OVO update, back again with another video. And today, as you read by the title, we are going to be talking about OVO, where it is headed as a brand, if it can become the next Supreme, as in drops selling out in seconds, which we've seen today from the OVO Raptors collaboration. Will prices exceed extreme resale prices, especially with the launch of OVO becoming widely available on StockX now? A lot of people might not understand, but that is huge for the brand, where it is headed, where it started, and what we could see in 2021. So with that being said, I need you guys to smash the like button down below, and let's hop straight into today's video. Chances are, if you are watching this video, you've been a customer with OVO in the past, whether it's only from this year, last year, or even 5 years ago. OVO's been a brand since 2008. But ever since the past 2 to 3 years, OVO has really taken off as a brand, with stores opening in some of the biggest malls and shopping centers across the world. We have the recent openings at the Grove, one of the biggest tourist attraction spots in LA. We have Tokyo, New York, and some locations in some of the most major cities in the world: Soho, London, Chicago, and many, many more. Now, OVO is famous for their classic OG Owl hoodies and t-shirts, because that is the main logo with the brand, kind of like how Supreme's main logo is the box logo. Now, ever since OVO has been doing OG Owl hoodies, crew necks, t-shirts, they've always been a sellout item from the brand, kind of like how Supreme's box logos always sell out. Now, back in the day, OVO was fairly accessible to get. You could walk into boutiques, online shops, and basically grab whatever you wanted without really having the hassle, unless it was a collaboration with like Canada Goose, Roots, or even Jordan. But as for the mainline clothing brand, it's been fairly accessible to get, especially with the expansions of all the stores in the malls. But recently, I want to say ever since the Bape and Lebanon OG Owl drop, the hype for OVO has really gone up, and in my opinion, the whole streetwear industry as a whole has kind of taken notice and taken a look at what OVO is doing. Some of your favorite rappers, influencers have been wearing the brand, which has definitely taken OVO to another level. As I was saying, Bape, one of the biggest streetwear brands in the world, collaborating with OVO was huge for the brand and really elevated it to the next level. And also, just before that release, the Lebanon OG Owls sold out in seconds. We had the Roots collab sell out in seconds, and the Raptors that actually dropped today was gone in minutes. So that leads to my whole question: will OVO become the next Supreme, in the sense that it's selling out instantly and resale prices will inflate to an insane level? Now, as some or most of you guys have now may noticed, OVO is on StockX now. That means weekly releases from OVO is going to be on the app. And honestly, based off Murakami, the Jordans, the Bape collab, it has only done good for OVO in terms of resale value, since that it creates an actual market and somewhere we could go to. Even take a look at the women's collection, take a look at the Varsity that dropped almost double retail price. Honestly, I don't think the resale prices would be what they are recently if it wasn't for StockX. Does this mean that you should be going out and buying every single OVO drop to go resell? No, but it does mean that certain pieces, like maybe the Santa Owl, OG Owl hoodies, and some of the hotter items, maybe even this t-shirt right here, will definitely catch on in the future to exceed prices that we'd honestly normally not see if it was just posted on Facebook, Kijiji, or Grail. Even take a look at the Bear Bricks from the past. Numbers are insane on those. Retail on this was $600, almost pushing $3,000 now. If you ask me, will OVO become on a Supreme level? Honestly, I don't think so, in the sense that OVO is more of a lifestyle, accessible brand. But when it comes to these hotter, newer releases, OVO was definitely showing us that they could sell out drops and create a huge hype and resale market for these specific items. So let me know in the comments what you think down below. I kind of just want to create sort of a conversational video. I want to know your opinions. Honestly, this was kind of like a fuel for thought video. I want to kind of touch back with you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you do think of this situation right here. I've always said this whenever OVO touches StockX, because before it was just for collabs. Now with the regular line drops, it's definitely going to push numbers up. So like I said, in the comments down below, let me know what you think. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.